are you doing?
I'm baking your freaking cake, so get out.
Really? What kind?
Well, it's gonna be this whole delicious fudge thing that's gonna make Kathy's volcano look like a pile of crap.
Is it in the oven? Can I see it?
Actually, I haven't started yet.
Looks like you started.
I can't do it, okay? I tried. I mean, all these recipes need things that I don't know how to use, like a food processor and big spoons. And how do you fold an egg? It's impossible. It's witchcraft.
Relax, Carrie. It's easy to do. Come on, let me show you how. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Family Tree Sweets Kitchen. Today I wanted to show you how to fold egg whites into for a recipe. A lot of times you're going to have a recipe that calls for whipped egg whites, and then you fold it into the batter, or say, for instance, sometimes when you want to make like fluffy pancakes, you make the batter and then you fold egg whites into it. In this particular instance, I am making an angel food cake, which calls for me to whip my egg whites stiff, and then I will be taking my flour and sugar mixture and folding it into the egg whites themselves. So, folding in my flour. Now, to do that, I have a wooden spoon like this. You could use a spatula, any sort of kind of flat object that you feel comfortable with. But what you're going to do when you're folding in is you're not stirring it in. You are gently rotating your spoon like this to get it incorporated into, and this is since I'm on my mixer, I can rotate my bowl by, while I'm doing it. But you just gently fold it around. Whoops! You gently fold it around and around until you get it incorporated fully into the egg whites. Okay? So you're just going to put a little bit at a time into your egg whites. Just a little bit. Okay? You're going to set that aside, and then you're just going to take it and you're going to slowly do this. Just gently rotating your spoon around. Gently rotating, just rolling it over and over. And what this does is it gets the flour incorporated into the egg whites without breaking the egg whites down. And your egg whites remain, all nice and fluffy and stuff. Which helps, especially with a cake, like an angel food cake, that you keep it light and airy and delicious. So we're going to do this a second longer. We're just going to gently rotate it just like this. I'm moving the bowl just enough until when I think it's incorporated enough, then I'm going to add a little more flour. So you're going to be adding all this flour in, but you don't want to add it all in at one time. Just take your time, and you're going to just roll it gently, just like this. Just rolling it gently. Rolling it over. This is what they call folding something into a recipe, a recipe. Because what you want to do, you don't want to break down, the fluffiness of it. Say, for instance, like I said, some pancake recipes call for you to fold egg whites, to whip egg whites till they're stiff, and then gently fold them into the batter, and then they say that will give you some nice light and fluffy pancakes. I like to use it with angel food cake, which unfortunately I like a lot. So I'm deciding that I will show you this while making angel food cake. Angel food cake is predominantly an egg white based cake. There are 1.25 cups worth of egg whites in an angel food cake, at least this recipe that I have. And there's only, compared to that, there is only 1 cup of flour to 1.25 cups of egg whites. So it is predominantly an egg white mixture. So, all right. Any dry spots or whatever, you want to just kind of gently, you're just rotating your spoon around, just gently taking to the bottom, pulling it up the other side, and over, up, and over, up, and over. It's really a fairly easy thing to do. You just have to be careful not to get to where you want to go like this, you know, to mix it in. You'll mix it quick, so you just want to take your time. It's something that you can, you know, just relax, and it's worth it to take your time and just do it nice and slow and easy. Okay, we're gonna put, so we got a couple more times of flour to go, and then we'll be ready to put it into the pan. Just up and over, nice and easy.